Hello. Uploading assets to our library is pretty easy. Open the file with the assets you want to upload. Takes a minute to load. There we go. Open a new window at the bottom and make sure you navigate to the asset library. There we go. If you go to current file, you're basically in a directory where you just stored or where you just opened your file. So this asset library is basically this folder right here, right? Then you can go to, if you are in a different tab here, you can go to the big universe tools. You select the big suite asset browser tools. In the settings, you can set your name. It's important later because it will upload to a folder with your name, right? Then down below, you can get the core catalog file. You can remove this top one because it's needed to create, else I couldn't get this file in. Then you can just go to the asset you want to upload. For me, it's the entire collection, so I can just select the entire collection, or you can select individual stuff that you want to upload, right? You can also select multiple assets at the same time if you want to, but for me it's now just a catalog or a collection, so that's fine. If you select it, you can say prepare to mark assets, and it will be seen here. You can change the name if you want to, you don't have to. And there's some more information here about what it is. So the S types collection is fine, you can't override it because it needs to be a collection, right? Then you can say Marcus assets, and it will ask you if you're okay with the author name. If you don't set one, it will be set to anonymous, right? That means we just marked it right here. Normally, I can show you this. Normally, it will generate like a screenshot. Right now, I'm selecting this whole thing. It's a little bit strange. So I generated a thumbnail, and you can just load them in right here. So this looks better, right? And then you can select your asset and make sure you put it in the catalog. You can create new catalogs, or you can choose one of your liking in here. Mine is a tool, so I can put it in tools, right? Then make sure you add the description. So this is a zero ball to test materials on, and save, of course. All right. You can add some text. You don't have to, but it's nice to have. So this is a tool. It's a shader ball, and you can put materials on them, right? So that's enough. And if you're done, let's say you have multiple materials, make sure you just select them all. For me, it's just one right now. You can just press upload to BPPS server. It will actually upload two files, so it will upload the asset, but it will also upload the catalog file. So if you have new catalogs in it, it will also upload that one, right? And that's it. And I can preview to you how it looks on our side. So this is basically our core library, and in our upload folder, you see that my name appeared here, and the shade balls in here, and the Blender assets is in there as well. And from there we can handle the rest. So have fun.